huge. Oh, look at that!
That's awesome. That's
Are you a little excited today, Kate?
It's a monkey backpack.
Woohoo!
What do you want to put in there? Should we put the cars in there? The flashlight?
Oh, you got an animal backpack, buddy. That's what you've been asking for.
Where are your cars? Who is that? Are they around here? Well, here's some things. Oh, there's your train. Here's the big pocket, buddy. The big pocket's right here. Here's this.
Dora and Boots.
Hey!
Wow.
Oh, Dora too? Oh, that's great.
Can you show me?
Can I see Dora? Those are super. Are they friends? Do they like to hug each other? Do they hug each other?
Yeah. Do they play?
We really got magnets that hug each other. Sorry. What's so funny?
Things are crashing on the floor.
You gave up on the big camera, Bill, or what?
Yeah, ran out of tape.
One by one to cameras.
Ran out of tape.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoopsie.
Lukey, look it.
Oh, hope that wasn't fragile in there.
Daddy, I don't get it.
What's that?
I'm trying to do it, but I can't.
No, take this.
I'll show you how. Just a second.
You need some help?
Say bye to the camera, Kate.
Brian.
Bye.